What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically today my landlords have finally finished out clearing out the garage. So I'm gonna go pick up stuff from my storage, clear that out so that I can stop paying for that storage, get it back here, get it in the garage, and then we'll go from there. I'll show you guys the garage once I'm back, and we'll go through kind of some of the things that I want to change and update. Even though we're renting, it's like our lease is still another 9 months. So I would like to build a workbench like I did in the old place and redo some of their shelves because, to be honest, they're kind of trash. So we're just gonna head to storage and we'll catch you guys after that. So, Brett works in the States, so while he's away at work, he left his truck at my place, and so I'm gonna use it to get some stuff out of storage, and it needed a little bit of a cleanup, so we dropped through the car wash here, and now we're heading over to the storage. Oh yeah, it's a bright one today. Give him the gears! Grind the corn! We can lift, I think you can lift it high enough to get the leg on there, and then we can slide it in. Easily.
It wasn't easy.
You had zero problem with it.
I had many a problem with it.
She did it easily.
I don't do muscles.
You do muscles. So this is the garage. They got like a garage door opener from the dollar store and a light that, oh yeah, it just takes about 10 minutes to turn on. Some very not level shelves, and I really want to rebuild those. And yeah, overall just kind of shit. So definitely need to clean this place up, which I will do. Just got back with the first load from storage. So, oh yeah, and like doorbell button for the garage door opener, questionable. But, yeah. This is not okay. Very not okay. They cleaned, but there's still mouse turds. And it doesn't smell great. Yum. Massive web up there too. God, I hate spiders. So there's definitely still mice in this place because I just seen one run into that friggin' hole. So that's super fun. Hopefully they don't get into any of my stuff and destroy it, but got one little trap here, but we're gonna get some more stuff and maybe look at that. But like, I need to repair up all these holes and stuff. So the mouse never came back out yet, but I decided I'm gonna just pile all stuff in the middle because I don't want more places along the walls that it can hide until we get that sorted out. So yeah, so that's fun. And also, like I mentioned, I want to pull literally all these shelves down and build new shelves and probably a nice workbench and all that stuff. So we'll go from there. I spent like a ton of time literally just brushing down a ton of spider webs and crap all over. Probably like 20 different spiders I had to kill. No big deal. Except for that I hate spiders, so even worse. Alright, so that's probably pretty much it from like moving everything. Now the next step I guess is gonna be like planning out how I plan to rebuild the shelving and stuff. So probably what I'm thinking is that like that side might be like a angled workbench over there with some shelving above, and then I'll probably just pull these down because they're horrible and rebuild some new shelving. Maybe there I'll put like tire storage, tire rack type deal, and then just some more shelves. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. But after I pull all these down, I'm gonna clean up all the walls and stuff and clean up holes and things and make sure we get this mouse kicked out of the house. And then I'll probably paint all the walls and stuff, make it all nice, and then I'll put up all my shelving and workbench and all that stuff. So right now I'm gonna go for boba, and I might vlog a little bit of that, I might not, we'll see.
Cool. Can you crack the car for my reel? That will go viral, bro. Can you scrape? Just air out and just scrape, please.
All right, so we came out and got some boba from Chat Time. Ryan and Sean already left, but just still chilling with Brandon from So Scare and the So Scare Bear, and Liam with his new Honda wagon. Like, look at this thing. If you guys know So Scare, you should. JDM inspired Mustang. Super sick. There, you made it. This thing's super clean too. He's gonna look at, he just picked this up, JDM Honda Accord wagon. Gonna get some new wheels for it, I think. Super clean though.
Every time I go out, I used to be a mechanic, now I'm electrician, so it's like crap.
Yeah, I did.
Every time.
What's up? I didn't know you're.
Brandon, the man himself.
I didn't know you're doing the video.
No, I already was like just walking in the car. Okay, you have to do your thing again. I want to hear it. Yeah. That's so sick, actually.
The worst part is this is my daily, so if I do that and I show up at work, this big like bearded dude with tattoos and a shaved head pops out. So everyone will just like look at me like.
What are yours?
Mine are 18s too, but mine looks like fucking humongous.
I think it's just the. I think it's just a spec because even the wheels that he had on this before, he had the car lower, or something, and the wheels were like tucked in a little more, so they didn't look that beefy. But these ones are beefier. Honda gang. These actually look super sick side by side. JDM Accord wagon and the old Vig. Like, I need some like, I really want Project Muse. Like, they're so sick, but like,
Yeah, you have a lot of clearance.
they're so expensive.
What's
Also,
your box at like plus 35?
plus 20.
Plus 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have some big brakes in it.
Yeah. Like, I can like fist my wheels.
Yeah, why are you kidding me? Like a car in there?
Yeah.
So bad. These kids call us ricers. Ryan, I've known her for like 100 years.
Oh.
That's insane, you guy. Wait, pull around, pull in the middle. Nothing, we're just randomly chilling. We got shit to do. Alright, go. No way. We're just right.
He's a supporter.
He's got all every sticker.
Oh shit. Fanboy.
Dude, rip away. It's electric. You won't hear anything. Half the time, Paul don't even see him.
I gotta go.
Dude, burnout.
Hey, guys.
Hit these kids in the basket.
Does it still have like his system in it, or did he take it out? No, he kept everything in it. Lucky man. I know, right?
What does this license plate mean?
Dude, once I was like talking to him, and he's like, yeah, I gotta go. I looked back and just got him. I thought he was still behind me in the car.
Oh, that's hilarious. What are these kids doing? Bruh, get away from our cars. Just straight into the side. All right, well, I'm gonna peace out.
All right, man. Nice seeing you.
Okay.
We'll try and do another
Peace.
something one day.
Yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Okay, wait. Monster truck status.
What do you know about being static?
Yo, that's like best fitment. Best fitment game 2022.
Very static, bro. This thing's
Dang.
everything. Imagine like someone just pulled up to me like this, and you're like, "Yo, dude, air down, air
And he
down."
leaves
He's
it
like,
like that?
"You're like air down, air." He's like, "I'm static." He's like, "What?"
Rally build.
Dude, if I drove like this, like it'd be so rough. Like, yes, I'd be like bombs, man. Like,
What? This is Fast and Furious. Rally build, man.
This is like stock height too. Like if I didn't have the, because the over fenders like come down a bit, so like literally like stock
Yeah.
height, I'm like just fully stock height.
God, it's
Like, you look at
bad.
a regular
Stock
Hyundai,
height's
like,
so bad
yeah.
on everything.
Every car should be slightly lower.
Like literally.
Every car, like SUV now.
Yeah.
Down my voice. I'm gonna hold on and pull you out of your car.
Yeah, no. You coming with me?
Yep.
What if he doesn't let go?
Then I'm fucked.
All right, man.
All right.
See you next time. We'll
Yeah.
plan something
Sounds good.
more time. That's so weird.
Have you seen the back window? Well, have you seen how they go down?
No, does it kind of go like sideways? Where
It angles. It
Yeah,
does.
yeah.
It does like the JDM thing.
Or you crank
That's the
one
other thing. I literally can't have any more than one passenger in my car because otherwise my rear rubs too hard.
Yeah, dude, I drove home with my brother-in-law from Tuner Spirit, and he's like, I like say like 180 pounds.
Yeah.
And I like have it just specifically for me only. So when we were like going over bumps, his side was rubbing. I was like, holy fuck, I cannot have a passenger over 120 pounds.
Yeah.
It's just like, I was like, holy fuck. This car doesn't rub, and then just because he was in it.
Yeah. Damn.
All right.
All right. Yeah, sick. All right. Okay, peace,
All right,
man.
bro. We will see you next time.
Yeah. The sounds of happiness, boys. Skunks in the road. Well, that was pretty fun. Got to meet up with everyone and hang out and chill. Those skunks are literally like, well, they're like walking into the back alley, but it's like 3 houses down from mine. So hopefully they stay away from my house, because I don't want none of that. But yeah, probably I'm just gonna end it there. Next video, I might try and like do something on Google SketchUp or something, just as like plan out a little bit of what I'm gonna build in the garage, like I mentioned. If I don't do that, then I'm just gonna wing it. I kind of have an idea of what I want to build anyway already, so we'll go from there. But definitely got to clean that up and get rid of that freaking mouse, because we don't want no mice. Meese. We ain't want no meese in the garage. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, if you like this video, be sure to drop a comment below and like it. It really helps me. The more likes and comments and stuff I get, helps me kind of expand and grow a little bit, which I'm trying to do. So first milestone, I want to hit 1K subscribers, so help a brother out. Yeah, hit that sub button if you like this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.